In a small village lived a boy named Adam. His shoes had holes. His bag was torn. Some nights he went to bed hungry, but deep inside him burned a dream. Something no one could see and nothing could steal. How can a boy with empty pockets think about big things? You should only think about earning bread for the next day. One evening by the river, an old wise teacher, Guruji, handed Kabir a mirror. "Look deeper," he said. "Behind the pain in your eyes, do you see the fire?" Kabir looked, and this time, he felt something powerful staring back at him. People will try to cover your mirror with dust. Keep cleaning it with your actions. Keep seeing your true self. And never forget what you are capable
for
of.
another round of chai.
Morning, school.
Absolutely, and the samosas
Evening,
here are great too.
washing glasses at a tea shop. Weekend, learning mechanics. Night, when the village slept, studying under a dim light. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, and sometimes food.
Welcome. Let's take a
But
look
his
at that
mirror
for you.
was always in front of him.
I dropped it right here this morning.
Mobile
Do
repair
you think
corner.
you can fix it?
First electronics
Great
shop.
work, everyone. The display looks
3
fantastic.
shops open.
Thank you, Adam. We appreciate that.
Own accessories brand. The same people who
I am
once
proud
laughed
to introduce
now
Aura
waited
Accessories.
outside his office.
We've designed every piece to reflect
His mother's
confidence
treatment
and modern
became
elegance.
regular.
This is just the beginning.
His father no longer had to work in the fields. And when Guruji visited, he smiled and said, "You are proof that dreams are not measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart."